Losing weight takes a grand effort of motivation. The process can be lengthy, and sometimes encouragement is necessary. What if you could earn a little extra incentive on this weight loss journey, and even tag along with your friends or literally any other person out there looking to lose a few pounds, all the while earning passive income? Since money has always proven to be a strong motivator, I'm going to show you today just how to use 2 apps to get paid $300 to lose weight. Be sure to stick with me to the very end of this video to learn everything there is to know about this strategy. But first, you can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. To begin, head over to this website called DIGISTORE24.com. As you can see, DIGISTORE24 has absolute pride on their statement, more sales, less work, for the advanced marketer. DIGISTORE24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, which includes tax automation. Now, that may sound a bit intimidating upon first hearing, but we're only going to focus on one thing today in order to get paid $300 to lose weight: the DIGISTORE24 affiliate platform. We will now explore the ranges of this possibility in terms of it being one of the most efficient affiliate programs on the internet today. Advertise once and cash in on complete autopilot. Simply choose from the best-selling products and receive your commissions on time. Every time. Scrolling down a bit on this page, we see that the DIGISTORE24 platform pays up to 70% in commissions from over 8,000 products in their marketplace, spanning across 44 different niches. The DIGISTORE24 affiliate platform is perfect for affiliates, publishers, bloggers, influencers, and email list growers. Heading back to the homepage of DIGISTORE24, you can see that they have an exceptional rating on Trustpilot, standing at 4.7 stars out of 5 from over 6,000 reviews. The main homepage is quite comprehensive and can get a little overwhelming. I won't go into great detail because I only want to discuss the essentials with you, but there's nothing stopping you from exploring the page and gathering more information. Everything is right here presented to you openly. This is one of the things that I like about this website: the sheer transparency and openness to fully understand what you're getting into. It certainly provides you with a safe space that allows you to work more efficiently. There are 4 simple steps to begin earning on this platform. Step 1, register. Step 2, select a product from the marketplace. Step 3, promote the product to an audience. And Step 4, earn your profits in commissions. What I want you to do now is come over to the top right corner of this page and click on this blue button that says Register Now. You'll get redirected to this page where you can register for a free account. Select Affiliate here. Now fill in your desired username for the platform, email address, password, and time zone. Now, if you're having issues locating your country's time zone, simply select any country's time zone closest to yours. Under Personal Info, fill in your first name, last name, home address, country, and phone number. Those are the necessary fields to be filled to successfully create an account on DIGISTORE24. Go ahead to check on the privacy policy to accept them, and then click on Register for free now to get started on your journey to get paid $300 to lose weight. On the left-hand side, we see that DIGISTORE24 offers an affiliate marketplace with access to high-converting offers, commissions up to 85%, weekly payouts, CPA and rev share commission options, and a 24/7 dedicated affiliate support. After logging into the platform, head over to this page called Marketplace by hovering over this text at the top and selecting all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Looking at this page, it's actually fairly fascinating given the huge assortment of digital product categories that you can select from. You've got animals and pets, betting systems, fashion, games and fun, social media, and so many more. Right now, you must select a product to advertise. In a bid to get paid $300 to lose weight, we're going to navigate over to the fitness and health section. Here we see a product called the Lose Your First 10 Pounds Workshop. Remember, after selecting a product, we can then go on to drive traffic to it. Let's take a closer look at the product description here. If your audience is sick and tired of failing diet after diet and just wants a proven system for losing weight long-term, the Lose Your First 10 Pounds Workshop is exactly what they want. And you'll earn a $30 CPA on each sale. What this basically means is that for every action a customer willing to lose weight takes on this product, you would gain $30. Of course, you don't want to promote a garbage product to people in the name of making a few bucks for yourself. You can go ahead to check out the validity of this company, alongside their offerings by clicking on the sales page down here. On this page, you get to see more about the roadmap of the product you would be promoting to get paid $300 to lose weight. The Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop discusses the effect of hormones on weight loss, good carbs versus bad carbs, a 5-day jumpstart challenge, counterintuitive approaches, and lots more. With the numerous testimonial posts on this page from people who have given the product a try, this looks like a great offer that we can start promoting right away. Which takes us to the second website for today's video, ODYSEE.com. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. As soon as you get on this website, you will notice the main page containing many videos. This gives you an idea of what they're about. ODYSEE is a platform where you can explore an entire universe of videos made by common people like you and me. People from all over the world have been using this platform to submit a wide variety of videos. So how are you going to get paid $300 to lose weight out of ODYSEE? Well, in a moment, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos and then attach your digital store affiliate link in the description. This will pave the way for your money-making journey as people can now access your link. As always, here's what SimilarWeb has to say about the internet dominance of this platform. With over 24 million monthly visitors, where each visitor watches at least 7 minutes of videos at a time, ODYSEE is a wonderful platform to market your links. Let's run right into sign up on ODYSEE. On the main page, click on this red-ish button at the top right corner that says sign up. Once you click on that, you will be taken to this page where you can begin the registration process. Simply fill in your email address in this field and then create your own password. After that, all you have to do is click on the sign up button right here, and you will have a brand new account here on ODYSEE. On your now logged in account, click on the upload button at the top to go over to the upload section. Here, you'd realize that you need a video to accompany your weight loss affiliate link. What you would simply do now is head over to the most popular video platform, YouTube. Search for the keyword weight loss. Before you choose a video, however, I want you to filter the search results and click on Creative Commons because we'll need videos that are free to download and reuse. Simply select the videos that you want to use on ODYSEE and download it. You can do this by copying the URL of the video and pasting it on a YouTube downloader platform. You probably already have one you usually use for downloading YouTube videos, so go ahead to use it. Now return to the upload section for your ODYSEE account and click this browse button to begin re-uploading the downloaded YouTube video. In filling out the fields, simply copy and paste the title and description from the video on YouTube. As part of your new description, you're going to add in your DIGISTORE 24 affiliate link for the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop. How do you do this? Simply return to the product page on platform and click on Promote Now button in blue. Copy the affiliate link and paste it in your description. You can also use the same thumbnail image as the original YouTube video and the upload on ODYSEE.